afternoon, everyone. Myself Nishan Dahare, currently working as a research and development engineer at Tempson Instruments. So today we are here to discuss about thermal profiling system, which consists of a SmartTrack 10 data logger and a thermal barrier box. Before going to the topic in detail, I would like to introduce about my company to you. So in 2021, Tempson's business areas are temperature sensors, which shares are 53% of revenue, cables, which shares of revenue of 33%, and heating solutions, which are 14% have part in shares of revenue. We are spread globally. We have over 600 employees. We are present in 3 locations globally. We have applied 9 patents until now, and we also have 40 years of experience in this domain. Tempson Instruments have majorly 3 domains, that is temperature sensors, heating elements, and cables. In temperature sensors, we provide wide range temperature thermocouples to accurate RTDs, from thermocouples to gauges, pyrometers, thermal imagers, calibration bath, furnace camera, and fiber optic sensors and wireless sensors. So if you want to measure a temperature, whether it can be contact type or non-contact type, we provide the solution in the form of thermocouples or a non-contact sensors. Our key products in cables is thermocouple and RTD cables, high temperature cables, spatial cables, instrumentation signal cables, and LV control and power cable up to 1.1 kW. We also provide heating systems and heating solutions to the industry. Cartridge heaters, band heaters, flexible heaters, and bundle rod heaters, process heaters are the major heaters we provide in our heating systems. We also provide temperature calibration services. We are in Udaipur, Baroda, Bangalore, and Jakarta. Our comparison calibration has -196 to 1600 degrees Celsius for contact sensors, -30 to 3000 degrees Celsius for non-contact sensors. Small measurement uncertainty is there. We also provide furnace calibration services to the industries like temperature uniform survey and SAT. Now let us talk about our main topic of discussion, thermal profiling system. So before going into the thermal profiling system, what is the need of thermal profiling system? See, in each and every industry, temperature plays an important role. So if we don't monitor our temperature accurately, then we cannot get a good quality product and cannot increase our productivity and optimization of the product. From heat treatment processes in steel industries to paint curing oven manufacturers, proper temperature monitoring plays an important role in the production. A thermal profiling system consists of a data logger, that is SmartTrack 10, and a thermal barrier box, which protects the data logger electronics from high temperature. So now let us talk about our first part of the thermal profiling system, that is SmartTrack 10 data logger. Data logger SmartTrack 10 is used for monitoring and analyzing the temperature profiles of products within your heat treatment process. Accurate data acquisition and powerful analysis technique are combined with flexibility and ease of use. It comes with 10 channels of thermocouples of various types like J, K, E or T. Now let us talk about the specification of our SmartTrack 10 data logger. Total number of channels is 10. 50,000 readings per channel can be stored. Scanning rate per channel varies from 100 millisecond to 1 hour. Provision of replaceable batteries and non-replaceable batteries are there. Replaceable battery can go up to 70 degrees Celsius and non-replaceable battery can go up to 100 degrees Celsius. We have universal thermocouple input. LED indication for low battery, data logging and memory status is also there for your hassle-free data logging. Wire telemetry via USB for data analysis. See, each and every data logger has some data logging services. But the thing is, you can in this SmartTrack data logger, you just not log your data, you convert it into a meaningful information. We also provide RF wireless telemetry option, which is in development state. Some of the features of our SmartTrack 10 data logger is compact and portable design. Accuracy is within 0.5 degrees Celsius. We have 10 measurement channels. Huge data storage capacity up to 50,000 data. User interchangeable battery types. Rugged aluminum casing which provides resistance to oxidation at high temperatures. Now let us come to our next part of our thermal profiling system, that is a thermal barrier box. So after logging the data, it is very important to protect our data logger from high environment temperatures. See, if you put your data logger in a 1000 degrees Celsius or 800 degrees Celsius, it will burn out. So we have developed a thermal barrier box which will maintain the temperature of a data logger about 100 degrees Celsius only, even though our barrier box will be subjected to 1000 or 1200 degrees Celsius temperature. So that's why it is a major part of thermal profiling system, because it protects your data logger from high temperatures. So basically in this thermal barrier box, we are using some kind of a insulation, microporous insulation, and a phase change material which slows down the heat transfer from outside high temperature environment. We are providing three types of a thermal barrier box models, that is TBB 180, TBB 250 and TBB 320. TBB 180 can go up to 500 degrees Celsius, while TBB 320 can go up to 950 degrees Celsius. So from low temperature applications to high temperature application, we can provide thermal profiling system for all of your applications. Some of the features of our thermal profiling system are: we are using evaporative thermal barrier for high temperature and long duration. Maximum temperature can be reached up to 950 degrees Celsius. We are also providing replaceable wear strips to minimize maintenance cost. Dual thermocouple exits are there, and there is also provision of wear strips to reduce maintenance cost. There is only one movable part in this system, that is the thermocouples. So if it might be possible that the fiber cloth near the thermocouple exits will wear out. So that does not mean that you have to change the box again. You just need to change these wear strips and you can use the barrier box again for the next application. So we are also providing an infralog software for this in this system. See, after logging the data from data logger and protecting the data from thermal barrier box, now it's time to convert those important informations into a meaningful data. So here comes the role of our infralog software. This is the first configuration window of our software. Here you can see there are different trigger modes in our software, like start and stop trigger mode, date and time trigger mode. You can start and stop manually, and you can also give date and time from which you want to start the data logging. You can also convert your data into a graphical representation, or you can also get a numerical presentation of it. Some of the features of our infralog softwares are: numerical and graphical data representation is there. User defined scanning rate from as low as 100 millisecond to 1 hour is there. Multiple modes of triggering: start and stop trigger, user defined start and stop trigger mode, rise temperature and fall temperature. Offset temperature alarm function is also there, and you can also compare data of multiple runs, and you can also export your data into CSV format and many more. We are also providing a thermocouples for this thermal profiling system. Mineral insulated thermocouples, commonly referred to as a magnesium oxide thermocouples, are used in many process and laboratory applications. They are rugged in nature, bendable, and their fairly high temperature ratings make MI thermocouples a popular choice for multiple temperature measuring applications. element size from 0.25 to 8 mm are available. SS321, SS316, SS3110, HRS446, Inconel 600, Mnemonic, Pyrosil, platinum material thermocouple are also available. Swag tip thermocouples are there. High wall thickness, which ensures the durability of the thermocouples, and tube temperature skin type thermocouples are also there. So now come to the applications of this thermoprofiling system. See, there are huge applications of this thermal profiling system in the industries, but one of them is the paint curing oven. See, most of the problems in paint curing oven industries are arise due to the improper heating for a specific interval. This can be eliminated by proper temperature monitoring of the product. See, if you don't cure your paint properly, then it might be possible that the quality of the product and the quality of paint is degraded, which will affect the overall production and more waste products. So at Temsense we had developed a thermal profiling system as discussed above as a solution for these type of problems. Generally you will need only TBB 180 model for this application, because the duration of curing does not go above 3 hours to 2 hours. Hence you will be requiring a smaller box for this application. Next application is the clean temperature monitoring. Firing temperature of clay plays an important role in the outcome of the product. See, if you don't cure your sanitary wares or tiles properly, then there will be various issues in the product like coring and denting and many more. And these temperatures are about 1200 to 1500 degrees Celsius, and for long duration, that is up to 24 or 48 hours also. So what we are doing is, we will giving you our thermal profiling system, which will be under the clean car, where the maximum temperature is about 300 to 400 degrees Celsius. And in this application we can give you a evaporative thermal barrier, which also give a long duration at high temperature. Hence you can govern your product quality throughout the process and ensure the good quality products without less wastage. Now our third but not the least application, that is temperature uniform survey. See, from normalizing to different types of annealing, all heat treatment processes are high temperature processes, and the final microstructure from fine perlite to martensite depends on these processes. See, if you have a rapid cooling, you will be getting a martensite, but if you have a slow rate of cooling, you will be getting a perlite or bainite structure. So it gives you the strength of your product. Hence it is very important to know about the temperature of your product, because it determines the strength of the product depending upon its microstructure. So some of other applications of this thermal profiling systems are forming and toughening of glass wide screens of automobiles, aluminum brazing processes, in coil and leaf spring tempering, subcritical annealing of pipe and tubes, hot and cold spot in furnace, quickly identified before occurring, and many more. Customized size barriers depending upon the user application and can also be designed and manufactured. So at the end, I would like to say that if you want to have a temperature profiling of your system, then we can give you the solution for your hassle-free production and quality management. Some of the customer benefits of our thermal profiling systems are: one can monitor, control and improve the curing process, improve the productivity and efficiency by using accurate profile data to optimize oven performance and final products. Waste is eliminated. Highlight oven problems immediately and use data information to recommend corrective actions. Powder coating manufacturers can prove that their oven provides the necessary cure schedule to give the physical and cosmetic coating properties required. The thermal barrier can sustain high temperatures up to 250 to 300 degrees Celsius for long duration. At last, I would like to conclude our presentation, and for further inquiries, please contact our digital marketing person, Mr. Hitesh Kumar Singh, and me, Nishan Dahare. Thank you.